Hello lovelies, my name is Amanda, also known as Mrs. Archiver, and surprise with this surprise video because this package is really a mystery. So if you really want to know what's in this package, then keep watching. The TheHoneyBShop was doing a mystery Whoops grab bag. I ended up getting the $20 one. And I had been seeing everybody in the Facebook group opening up their packages and they got some really cute stuff. So I've done the housework, I've done all the things, and I am now ready to open up mine. It looks like I did not open this. It was already like this. And I'm just going to, because I need to find the invoice paper. So one sec. Now that I got that, I didn't peek in it or anything, so I don't know what's in here. This is my full reaction to this mystery grab bag. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, because this was the $20 one, so. No! Oh, this paper. Look at this paper. This paper is so pretty. Mom. And this paper is so pretty. What can we make out of it, guys? Okay, before we, oh my gosh, this paper. Oh my gosh. This is, I love the paper. I know. We got to, oh, this one's a new one. Okay. We don't have this sticker. We have a bunch of these already. And where is my, where is it? Where's my book? I was like, oh my gosh, where is my A5? Okay, you know, we have to do it, guys. We have to do, no! What happened? Oh, no. I'm gonna have to fix that, guys. I just got really sad. Okay, hold please. I have to play doctor right now. I'm like, no, why? Okay, so now we turn this into a sticker. Doing some surgery real quick. Come on, stay down. Okay. I don't want the paper to rip, and I don't want the sticker to rip. No! How did that rip? No. Okay, I'll go this way. No. Guys. No. Come on. My dog. I don't know if you just heard her. Come on. Okay. Ah! Okay, we're gonna put this right on top since it's the same shape. We're just gonna keep going with this. Okay, that's the first little rip we've had, but it's okay. It's okay. Y'all are like skipping through this, I'm sure. You're like, I don't care about the sticker. I want to know what's in the bag, but good things come to those who wait. Okay, this one's the extra honey. So I don't want this bag to rip, so we're gonna be real gentle with it. Let's see if it's something we have already or if it's something new. Oh, okay. I have this only because I got the babe box for this one, but I totally love it and I love these cards. Again, this is their information if you do want to follow them on any of their socials. This is super cute. I will definitely put it with the rest of my collection of postcards. See, there it is. So I'm gonna put that there for now. Okay, and we're gonna put this aside. So yes, we have another paper. I'm gonna put it in the extra box that I have. Well, the envelope that I have. Okay. I know what you're thinking. You're like, really? It took, my hair is just crazy right now. You're like, really, Amanda, you did all the things and everything. Oh my gosh, what's in here? Okay, I feel like there's a washi. It's like Christmas to myself. I feel like it's a washi. This feels soft. It feels squishy. that feels squishy. What is that? It's squishy. This feels, okay, this feels, okay. It feels squishy, guys. Oh, there's like, I feel like different things. Okay, I'm just gonna grab. Yay, I got another one. Okay, cool. I could always use more of this because I did like using this for weather, but I stopped using mine because I started hoarding it. Now I don't have to hoard it because I would use this for my weather stickers. So yes, I can use that. So I'm gonna put that with the rest of my washi. Okay, what else is in here? What's this? Oh, nice! Cool. Okay, so I got some little sticky notes. They're the vellum sticky set, and they're the moon. Yes, loves it. So I got some little sticky notes. Okay. What else? So far two, I'm like can totally use. What is this? It feels like a sticker. Oh, dude. Okay, I didn't get. Last year, I found out way too late. The TheHoneyBShop had their advent calendar. It was like so many days to Halloween or whatever, and I didn't know that they were like doing pre-orders for the advent calendar in July, because I had seen when they opened it in October. So anyway, moving on, these are some countdown stickers, and it starts from 13 days until Halloween. I love it, and 13 is my lucky number. Okay, I'm really happy with this. Really happy with that. I can so use that. Okay. It feels like another sticker. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's so cute. It's Alice. She's got the little potion bottle. Oh, she adores. Hello. She's so cute. Okay, what's another? I think it's another sheet. Oh, I didn't get to get this one. Yay. Okay, so just so that you know, I know like if anybody's like, but it's kind of off. Okay, this is a whoopsie bag. Okay, so some things may be a little slightly off or whatever. But I'm just letting you know, I'm totally fine with that. Because honestly, if you like lift up the sticker, it has the full color on there. I don't have this one. I want to say this was from the advent calendar. Okay, I want to say this was too. Okay, I'm not. Okay, Amanda, calm down. Calm down. I'm getting real excited. Oh, look at this. Every body is a swimsuit body. Yes, honey. Oh, got some little love on there. That I love it though. I love it. I don't care. That it's on the back anyway. I don't mind. Oh, okay. If there's any little imperfections, I'm like gonna be hush about that because it was a whoopsie bag. It's not supposed to be perfect, but that is cute. Oh my gosh, there's still more. Look at her. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the little booty. Look at that booty. Oh, her hair is so cute. She's so pretty. I love her. I'm really happy. This is crazy. Like I should do these more often. Yay. Okay, we got a third one. We have a third one. Totally fine with that. Gonna put that with the rest of our, see, I'm like trying to put things away, guys. Trying to put things away as I go. The bottom is real squishy, so I'm just like saving that for last. This was part of the advent calendar too. I have this. I want to say this was part of the advent calendar also, because there were some things that I wasn't like able to get. I tried to get every little bit. Oh my gosh, I love these tabs. Oh my, I'm loving everything. Man, there is several sticker sheets. Yes. Oh man, yes, I love this. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, yes, my colors. Dude, oh my gosh, shush your mouth. Like, really? What? The rose gold? No way. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, I could use these for my Hobonichi. Dude, oh my god. It's the lottery, dude. I feel like it's the lottery. I could use these. This is perfect. This is perfect. My mind is blown. What the heck, dude? Oh my gosh. I would be like, I was just so happy with just one sheet. But what is this beautiful freaking rainbow of color? Oh my gosh. Okay, is that all the sticker sheets? Okay, I feel, ooh, that's cool. That's cool. It's the B6, dividers. I don't have a B6 ring, but that's okay. It's not like they would know what I have anyway. But that's cool. I could still use it as like a little dashboard that I can stick in my A5. It'll just be smaller. I'm like already thinking of ideas. Like that could already just be a tab. It's fine. It's fine. I love these stickers though. Like, I mean, I just like want to keep it on top, but I'm like, okay, let me move this to the side. It's squishy. What is this? It's squishy. It is so squishy. What? Shush your mouth. Check this out. What? Dude. I was like, it's squishy. I don't know what it is. Like, oh my gosh. What? Dude. So I have a new pin board that is fantastic. So you can put your pin, I just have a random one here. You can put your pins on here, and then it has this window. And it's gray. Like, I love it. Like gray, pink or black. Gray, pink or black. That's awesome. Dude. I love it. That's so cool. Because when I'm going to use this one for my A5, like, it just goes so nicely. Like, what? Oh, I'm so happy. This was so worth the 20 bucks. I paid $20 for all of this. Like, all these goodies. Like, heck yeah. I will so take advantage of when they do this mystery again, because that is just awesome. Like, I should have put everything in here, like, in a way, but this, wow. Wow. Guys, this was worth it. This was so worth it. Plus the paper. The paper, guys, totally worth it. I enjoyed it. I had fun. Not knowing what was in here was like so much fun. I had never done anything like this before. Totally worth it. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. We'll see you in the next video. So until then, have a wonderful day.